Hey guys, Chris Rohan here with US Optics, and today we're going to be going over some of the basic functions of a rifle scope. Our example today is the US Optics TXH 3-18. Starting here with the eyepiece. The eyepiece or ocular lens is going to allow you to adjust diopter plus or minus to focus on that reticle. As we come down, we have the magnification collar. This is going to allow you to adjust magnification high to low. Example today, the TXH has a 3-18 times magnification range. As we come down again, we have our turrets. We have our elevation and windage turrets. These are going to allow you to adjust that reticle up, down, left, right to adjust for that point of impact. We have a side adjust parallax knob over here. This is going to allow you to dial from 10 yards to infinity. And what that's going to do is make that image parallax free between your target and your reticle. On the outside here, we have an adjustable illumination knob or rheostat. This is going to allow you to adjust that illumination setting on your reticle. This one is a lit red with 12 settings, 6 illuminated and 6 off settings. As we come down to the end here, we have our objective lens. The point of the objective lens here is to gather light and transmit the image that you're seeing through the scope. For example, this objective lens is a 50mm lens. So like I said, guys, those are some of the basic functions of our rifle scope using the US Optics TXH 3-18.